fishing rod is back! The Rocket Fishing Rod is the super fun and easy way for kids to catch fish. If you've ever taken your kids fishing, you know how hard it is for them to cast with an ordinary fishing pole. The Rocket Fishing Rod makes fishing fun and easy. You just cock it and shoot it. The fishing lure shoots out really far, right to where the fish are. The Rocket Fishing Rod is a real fishing rod that catches real fish. Here's the secret. When the bobber hits the water, it opens up and the hook falls to the right depth to where the fish are. Then you just reel them in. Fishing can bring the whole family together, moms and dads. With the Rocket Fishing Rod, you can spend more time fishing with your kids and less time messing with tangled lines. With the Rocket Fishing Rod, it's a blast to cast and reel in those fish. Rocket Fishing Rod. Have fun practice shooting your Rocket Fishing Rod in your own backyard. Practice your aim so you can shoot right to where the fish are. Catching fish is fun and easy. Grandparents, taking your grandkids fishing is so much fun with the Rocket Fishing Rod. With the Rocket Fishing Rod, even younger kids can fish all by themselves.
Get a grip on engineering with mechanical engineering, robotic arms. Explore the principles of mechanical engineering as you build 6 pneumatic machines that use air pressure to move. Pump up the air tank, then flip the switch. The air pressure from the tank pushes a piston in and out to activate your models. Build a pivoting robotic arm that can move items from one location to another. And a robotic grabber that can pick up objects that are just out of reach. Or a robotic claw that uses 3 vertical grippers to lift objects straight up. A 36-page full-color manual provides step-by-step building instructions, explains the mechanics of real-world robotic arms and legs, and provides an overview of pneumatic systems. And with 204 pieces, you can create your own robotic creations. With mechanical engineering, robotic arms. Ages 7 to 14. From Thames and Cosmos.
Brace yourself for a new category of large-scale RC vehicle. Because the line between RC and motorsport is about to be blurred. Introducing the world's first motorsport 5th scale RC. The all-new Vecta 5 from Kraken RC. Experience Class 1500 Unlimited buggy like never before. The world of large-scale RC has been redefined forever.
Esto es Nerf Rival. Nuevos lanzadores de gran potencia y precisión. Lanzamiento de alto impacto con nuevas recargas de bolas. Podrás alcanzar una velocidad extrema de 30 metros por segundo. Nuevas Nerf Rival Apollo y Zeus. Experimenta la intensidad.
Introducing the Beyblade Destroyer Dome, a very different type of battle. Here you'll learn tips to master the Destroyer Dome.
I could play like that.
You can. With a little skill and some practice, you can take blading to the next level.
Are you ready? Here's what you need to know. First, assemble the Destroyer Dome. Lock in the battle disc for longer battles. Stabilize the dome. Carpet is best to keep the dome from slipping, because if you lose momentum, you could lose the battle. Choose your top. You can use all your battle tops when you use the dome spin track. You ready? Insert your top into the dome.
3, 2, 1, let it rip!
The more rip power you give, the more speed it gets. But remember, even the best bladers need practice. So try different angles to figure out your own strategy. The last top spinning, or the one that lands on top, wins.
That was sick!
The Brookstone brand just means fun to me. You get to go inside of a Brookstone store and see all different types of fun and interesting products. Rover Land & Sea is our next generation in our Rover line. This is Rover Land & Sea. He can drive on grass, asphalt, any type of surface you want he can handle. And he can also go in water. People love taking this thing to the beach, to their pool. Another great feature that people like is how easy it is to use on the app. It's so simple and it connects very quickly. The camera inside can actually rotate 90 degrees. So you can look straight ahead, but you can also control so you can look 90 degrees downward. You can get everyone swimming in your pool. You can get fish swimming in your pond. You get to see things that you weren't normally able to see, and it's a crazy awesome point of view. When you look at this, every little detail from the wheels to the placement of the speaker or the antenna was designed with a purpose. It's one of the most versatile toys you will ever find. If you have a kid open this up as a gift, it's quite the experience. It's a really awesome gift to receive. And if that kid has a dad, good luck trying to get it back.
You can fight with your friends by a fair and sensitive scoring system. You can even customize your robot's actions, weapons, and armors. The customizable Ganker is a robot of your own design, bringing your dreams to life.
Silly, silly sausage!
Hello! Come on, play with me!
Follow its commands!
Twist me! Shake me! Stretch me! Ooh, you're on a roll! Chipolata Turbo!
Super speedy, silly sausage!
Dip me! Stretch me! Poke me! Twist me! You're out! Come on! Party! Twist me! Pass me! Pass me! Pass me! Ah! You grill me!
Super speedy reaction game! Silly sausage from Ideal!
Hello!